On New Year's Day, NASA's New Horizons mission is set to fly by the mystery object known as 2014 MU69, also known as Ultima Thule. Before we move on, Ultima Thule is an object located in the Kuiper Belt, which is a region in our outer solar system similar to the asteroid belt. Okay, so the Kuiper Belt object MU69 is around 20 miles wide and is a frozen relic left over from the birth of our solar system. And truthfully, we aren't very sure what to expect when New Horizons flies by on January 1st, 2019. It's the most distant target ever visited by a spacecraft, and right now we don't know if it's elongated, has a moon or a ring system, or even if it's a single object. But if all goes well, the spacecraft will turn back to Earth and let us know it survived before sending back detailed images and measurements. New Horizons last flew by Pluto in 2015 and showed us much more about the faraway dwarf planet than we ever knew before, which is exactly what we hope to find out about Ultima Thule, because it will also tell us more about Earth and the other planets.